Hello students, in this video we will continue from our previous video where we were solving problems on exterior angle theorem as well as the property of triangle wherein the sum of all angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degrees. Let's go to our first problem of this video. Our problem says angle x is equal to 60 degrees over here. Angle XYZ equal to 54 degrees. If YO and ZO are bisectors of angle XYZ, that means YO is the bisector of XYZ and ZO is the angle bisector of XZY. We need to find angle OZY and angle YOZ. So let's begin with what we have been given. So we have been given this entire angle, so we'll use the angle sum property to find out this full angle. So we say solution, okay, in triangle XYZ take angle XYZ is equal plus angle XZY plus angle YXZ or as YXZ, YXZ equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay, XYZ is given to us as 54 degrees. XZY is what we need to find out. We keep this the way it is. YXZ is same as angle X, since there is no bisector or any other angle, that is 62 degrees. Everything is equal to 180 degrees. 62 degrees plus 54 degrees gives us 116 degrees. So angle XZY, and I take it on the other side, so that becomes negative, minus 116 degrees. Next we subtract and we get the answer for XZY, which is 64 degrees. Now we have got XZY. We know XZY and we know XYZ. So now what we can do over here is continue with this. XZY, that is XZY, can be given as equal to X, but you can say angle XZY is equal to 2 times angle OZY. XZY is equal to 2 times this angle. Why? Because since ZO bisects angle XZY. So if it is bisector, that means it divides the angle into 2 equal parts. That means this is equal to this. Okay, and we can take that this full angle is 2 times that angle. Okay, how does that become? Let me show you over here. So angle XZY, okay, can be full angle can be taken as sum of this angle plus this angle. So it is angle OZY plus angle OZX. Full angle I have taken equal to the sum of this one plus this one. But since this is an angle bisector, which means it bisects this angle and this angle into equal parts, we can take angle OZY, keep it like that, and instead of OZX we can write it as angle OZY itself. Why? Because since angle OZY is equal to angle OZX. Now we can write this as 2 times angle OZY, right? So same as this. That's how I get it. Got it? Now sorry, we can write angle OZY as half of this angle. So half of angle XZY is equal to angle OZY. So I brought this is 2 multiplied into this. So when I take it on the other side of the equal to sign, because this is multiplication, it becomes division over here and goes XZY upon 2. So we can write it as half. Now XZY value we know is 64. So half of 64 degrees is equal to OZY. 2 ones are 2, 2 32s are 6. So therefore angle OZY is equal to 32 degrees. Angle OZY equal to 32 degrees. Next we need to find out angle OYZ. Okay. We have been given angle XYZ is equal to 54 degrees. So this is given. Right. Now angle XYZ can be written as equal to 2 times angle OYZ. Okay, OYZ, since OY YO bisects angle XYZ. So similarly like the previous one, now this 2 we can take on this side, this will become half of angle XYZ equal to angle OYZ. XYZ is given as 54 degrees, so half of 54 degrees equal to OYZ. The 2 ones are 2, 227. So therefore angle OYZ is equal to 27 degrees. So we get this as, this part over here is 27 degrees. We were asked to find out OZY, which we found out as 32 degrees, and we are asked to find out YOZ. So this angle is still remaining over here. So we'll use the angle sum property to get that. So over here I'll just put it down over here. So in triangle YOZ, angle YOZ plus angle OYZ plus angle OZY is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property of triangle. YOZ we need to find out. OYZ we have just found out 27 degrees, and OZY is 32 degrees, both equal to 180 degrees. If we add 32 to 27, we get 59 degrees, which we take on the other side becomes negative. So YOZ equal to 180 degrees minus 59 degrees. That comes to 121 degrees. Okay, so I hope you understood. We made use of what was given to us. We were given that these 2 were bisectors of angle, and so we got the third side in this big triangle XYZ. Once we got the angles of both the sides, we use the angle bisector property to find out how much would be OYZ and OZY. And once we knew what was OYZ and OZY, using the angle sum property of triangle, we could find out what is YOZ. Let's go to the next problem. The problem says, if lines PQ and RS intersect at point T, PQ and RS intersect at point T, such that angle PRT is equal to 40 degrees, angle RPT equal to 95 degrees, and TSQ equal to 75 degrees. Find angle SQT. Okay, so let's begin with what we have given. So we'll begin with this particular triangle, that is angle PTR. Triangle PTR. So in triangle PTR, you say angle P plus angle R plus angle PTR equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle P is given 95 degrees. Angle P is same as angle RPT in this case. So that is 95 degrees. Angle R is 40 degrees. PTR we need to find out, equal to 180 degrees. 95 plus 40 gives us how much? 135 degrees, which we take on the other side becomes negative, and that will be 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. So that gives us 45 degrees. So angle PTR is equal to 45. Now we can say angle PTR is equal to angle STQ. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. PTR and STQ, these are opposite V's. See? So vertically opposite angle. So therefore we can say angle STQ is equal to 45 degrees. So now we know this angle. We need to find SQT. So this is 45 degrees. Now we need to find SQ2. So what we do is put it over here. In triangle STQ, angle STQ plus angle SQT plus angle TSQ equal to 180 degrees, and this is because of the angle sum property of triangle. STQ is equal to 45 degrees. We don't know what is SQT. We need to find that out. TSQ has been given to us as 75 degrees, and everything is equal to 180 degrees. 75 plus 45 gives us 120 degrees, which we take on the other side becomes negative. SQT will be equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. That comes to 60 degrees. So that solves our second problem.